I didn't mean to do that. I turned off my video. See, it's 74 here on the porch. My little sign. This is what I've been working on this morning. I brought look at my table. Brought everything out on the front porch. I've been doing some more pages here in my, here's one I like, oops, in the shadows here, like that one. There's some pages here in my altered book journal. Okay, we'll go take a look at the squash. Now that is a male blossom because there's only one. That is a male because there's only one. And that one down there. See, I just watered, so I got some dirt on them. Those three are males. The males come first. The females have more than one little doodad bobby thing on them. Here's another group. See, look, male, male, male. So what I do is I come out with a tiny paintbrush and I gather. I just kind of dust them and I get the pollen on the paintbrush so that when the female blossoms come out, what's that? I'll say that's another male. Males come first. What's that? That's a male. Males come first, and then the females. So if you don't have the male pollen, you're not gonna get the fruit, because the fruit is on the bottom of the female. See, there's another blossom, but there's no fruit. I can't tell. There's no fruit. I already checked. None of these here have any fruit. Yeah, so, but the ones out back do. Maybe we'll take a trip out there. Okay, here I am out back. You can see. Oh, I've got one squash growing. Those are the females. The female flowers. Oh, get in here. Yeah, there's another one. They turn into the fruit. I'm sorry, so jiggly. See, this is a male flower. Yeah, I can't tell what that one is back there. Oh, that's a female. See how big she is? She's got ants. But that's okay. The squash here is really healthy. And I planted beans in with it, hoping that I get some pollination. Speaking of beans, these are my green beans. These are my, what do you call it? Lake? Green lake? Yeah, look at these. I need to pick them. So I have them here along the fence, and they're growing up. Yeah, see, they're intertwining with the fence, so that worked out. That worked out pretty good. So that's my garden tour. I do have some sunflowers. I need to get out here with the lawnmower. My husband has really bad allergies, or so he says, so he can't do it. There's beans on here. Squash and beans. All I need now is corn. So that's my tour for today. If you have any comments or questions, be sure and leave them. I'd love to hear from people. Okay, bye for now.